Welcome to the HIVETIRE tutorial video. In this session, we will be adding the DOT code to a tire. First, we need to be inside the application. We will click on the menu icon and select the tire option. Once inside the tire section, we will enter the burn, marked, or tattoo number, in this case, 10128. When it appears on the screen, we will select it, where the general information will be displayed. We will press Options and click on the Add Detail option. This will open a form where we will select the DOT in the drop-down menu. For those who are not familiar with the DOT code on a tire, it is a marking where at some point it says DOT. This includes 3 to 4-digit alphanumeric codes, but we are interested in the last one. In this case, the code is 4015, which means this tire was manufactured in the 40th week of 2015. So we need to enter this value, focusing only on the 4 numerical digits. We look for it, and if you notice, we find it here. In this case, it is 0121, meaning this tire was built in the first week of 2021. This way, we can enter the DOT code or the age of this tire.